We'll guide you through how to put link in Threads. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar so the browser can quickly locate the application. After the search results appear, launch Google Chrome on your computer by selecting it from a list. When the browser window opens, move your cursor to the address bar located at the top of the screen. Type Threads into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the platform. From the search results displayed on your browser, click on the official Threads website to continue. Before proceeding further, ensure you have already logged into your Threads account using your Instagram credentials. After logging in successfully, the Threads main page will load on your browser, displaying your feed and account navigation options. Hover your cursor to the left side of the screen where the profile-related controls are usually located. Tap the profile icon, represented by a person's silhouette, to open your account page. Once your profile page appears, locate and select the Edit Profile option to manage your account details and customization settings. A new dialog box will appear on your screen containing several profile editing options. From the available choices, choose Link so you can add an external website or social media address to your Threads profile. After selecting it, pick Add a Link to continue to the next step. You will now see a field labeled URL. Carefully enter the complete web address you want to display on your Threads profile. Make sure the link is typed correctly so visitors can open it without issues. If necessary, provide a title for the link to make it easier for people to recognize its purpose or destination. Once you have reviewed the information and confirmed everything is correct, hit the Done button to apply the link settings. If your newly added link appears in the displayed list, it means you have successfully put a link in Threads. To finalize the process completely, return to the previous menu dialog and click Done once again to save all your profile changes properly.